Accidents do not usually happen because of one big mistake. They happen because of many small risks that were ignored. That is exactly why organizations use a safety management system, or SMS. So, what is SMS? A safety management system is a structured approach to managing safety. Instead of reacting after an accident, SMS helps prevent accidents before they happen. Think of it as a safety culture, not just safety rules. SMS is built on 4 key pillars. First, safety policy. This is leadership's commitment to safety. Clear responsibilities, clear expectations, and one message: safety comes first. Second, safety risk management. Here, hazards are identified, risks are analyzed, and controls are put in place before something goes wrong. Third, safety assurance. This is about checking if safety measures are actually working through audits, inspections, and continuous monitoring. And fourth, safety promotion. Training, communication, and reporting systems that encourage people to speak up without fear. In simple terms, SMS turns safety from a checklist into a daily habit. Because the safest organizations are not the ones with fewer risks, they are the ones that manage risks better. Credits. Written by your name.